Now we have another lecture which is important again, which are the articles. Articles, we all are aware of articles. We use it before any of the words such as a and the. Now how do we use it? There are generally three types of articles, a and the. Articles are used before the nouns. Now we have two kinds of articles. One of them is indefinite articles and another of them is a definite articles. Now in indefinite articles we have a and n. A is used before a singular and countable nouns. N is used before any of the vowel. For the vowels we have a, e, I, o, u and rest all of them are consonants. So we all have this saying that we only use n for the vowels and rest all, and for rest all we use a. But if we get into the deeper concept, a is used for all the countable nouns and all the singular nouns, and n we used for all the nouns which are starts from vowels, which is a, e, I, o, u. Then we have the definite article on the other hand, which is the. It is used to specify any singular or plural form. Now let us look into articles. The articles are of two types, we all know, a, n, and then we have the. We use a, n for one out of many, and then we use the for the specific term. If we talk about a and n, we use a when the noun begins with the consonants. Consonants are those which are not vowels. So apart from a, e, I, o, u, all the alphabets will be consonants. A bag, a cat, a rat. Why we are using a as an article? Because all of these words starts from a consonant. Now we have some exception in this. When a vowel sounds like u, then we use a before the vowel, a before the noun. For instance, a university, a utensil, right? So we will use a as an article. On the other hand, if we talk about n, when a noun begins with a vowel, an apple, an umbrella, an exception, we use n as an article. Now we also have an exception in this one. When the consonant h is there, then a vowel is silent. For example, this is n great honor. We do not say this is a great honor. However, the h in honor is silent, so we pronounce it, then the pronunciation starts with the vowel, an honor. So h is silent, so we pronounce it as an onor, right? So that's why we will use n as an article. Then we have an r. This is the most common mistake we do. A lot of time we say I'll be there in an hour. That's incorrect. We'll say I'll be there in an hour, right? I'll be there in 2 hours. So make sure that we are not forgetting these exceptions. Now we have the use of the for this specific term. For example, the umbrella in the bag, the cat in the tree. Why we use the? Because we are using a specific term, the umbrella in the bag, the cat in the tree. So for all the specific terms, we will use the. Now we have this activity. We have all of these words written over here and we have to make sure, let's see what article we use for what word. Now we have an example as well, so we have to be very careful when we use articles. First we use a, n, or after we use the. She had a cheese and crisps for lunch. She didn't like the sandwich. We stayed in an old hotel. There was a swimming pool in the hotel. Now, she had a cheese with sandwich and crisps. Why? Because cheese, the C is a consonant, right? Then, she didn't like the sandwich. Sandwich is a specific dish we are talking about. It's a specific food item we are talking about. So that's why we have used the as an article. We stayed in an old hotel. Why we have used an over here? Because old hotel. O is a vowel. Then there was a swimming pool in the hotel. Hotel is a specific place where the swimming pool is. That's why we will not say there is a swimming pool in an hotel, in a hotel. We'll say there is a swimming pool in the hotel. Now let's see. The answer for this question, Sarah, Britain, London, Tom, Germany, there will be no article because they are proper nouns. Any place or any name of the person, any name of the country, these are proper nouns. So with proper nouns, we do not use any sort of article. There is no such thing as there is a Sarah standing over there. There is a Tina who is sitting over there. We do not say like this, right? Or we do not say there is a Britain. We all know there is one Britain only in this whole world. There is one and single Germany in this whole world, right? Now then we have bat, car, book, dog, computer. We use A with that because again they are started with the consonants. Now we have another activity where we have to choose the right article or we have to choose no article at all. Are you coming to the party next Sunday? Not a party, not an party. When we talk about the specific thing, so here in the conversation, here in the sentence, we know we are talking about a specific party which other person is also aware of, right? So when we talk about some specific thing, some specific situation, a specific event, we use the as the article. I bought a new TV set yesterday. Why a? Because new TV set, and N is the consonant. I think a man over there is very ill. So this is how we use the rest of the article and perform this exercise correctly. So this was all about the articles, how to use article. Articles again are one of the most important components in the grammar. Specifically when we are preparing for IELTS, we need to make sure that we are using correct article because in our respective band descriptors, we have the bands for grammar, and when we use incorrect grammar, we lose our chance to maximize our band. So make sure that we are going through this module once again, reading all about the articles, listening to this lecture once again if we have any sort of confusion related to articles.